Begin by locating the ground or negative cable on the battery, yellow arrow, and use a 13mm wrench to disconnect it. Place the cable in a manner that it cannot accidentally touch the battery post while you are working. The starter is located on the lower left side of the motor, red arrow. It attaches to the bell housing by two 17mm bolts. There is not a lot of room to work, and there is a good chance it will be very dirty and even oily. Give the starter a quick wipe down if it is oily. It is heavy and you do not want to drop it once it is free. There is a plastic cover over the electrical connections on the top of the starter. Pop the cover off and you can see the main electrical connection, red arrow, and the smaller connection, yellow arrow. Remove the 13mm and 10mm nuts and washers holding the wires on and set the wires aside. There are two 17mm bolts holding the starter motor to the bell housing as indicated by the red arrows. It's a very tight fit, but using a socket you will be able to remove both bolts. The motor will be free with the bolts removed, so do not let it drop. You will need to move the starter, red arrow, around and bring it out from the bottom electrical end first. With the starter out, check the mounting flange for dirt, debris, and damage, red arrows. Also check the starter ring for any rounding of the teeth or damage. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.